May I come, sir?
Yes, sit down.
Good evening, sir.
So, may I know your good name?
Yes, sir. My name is Johnny Mercy.
Johnny Masti.
Yes,
Okay, Johnny, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
How did you get to know about our institution?
Sir, I have seen your board or advertisement on social media platform, so I got
Okay.
to know about this.
Okay, you just see our banner, and
Yes.
through that banner you got our contact. Okay,
Yes.
what is your main purpose that you came here?
My main purpose is to teach students in a different way, the
Okay.
easiest way, and they are not feeling like they are uh, study something. They are feeling like they are learning in a fun way or easiest way.
Okay, so you are wanting to make the teaching methods in a very easiest way.
Easiest.
Okay, you have to just make it piece of cake for the
Yes.
people.
Yes.
Okay, it's okay. So how did it come in your mind that you're wanting to become English teacher? There are many more ways, there are many more fields that you could have entered in that. So why did you think about it that you want to just teach English to the students?
Sir, actually, after 12th, I'm interested to learn English language.
Okay,
And then I got to know about that English language, and I have seen that English language is must in every field.
okay,
And I have seen that thing also that students, different students have different mind.
yeah,
So I observed them very deeply that how can I give them easiest way to learn English language. So I have done or learned too many things to make English language easier.
okay.
So I have some different ideas or different skills or different method to teach them.
Okay, very good. We will be very happy to see you in our institution. That you will be training to our students. You will be making them that much perfect as much we are wanting to make them perfect.
Yes.
So we will be very happy to know about this. Okay. And now we are just going to first of all we will just take your written test
Okay,
and
sir.
then oral test. So before that I'm just going to ask you some of the basic sentences. If your girls are saying that I'm ready for it, then I'll ask.
Okay,
Are
sir.
you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready to face this camera?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because so many people are there, like they come without their preparation, they come off the hand, off the cup. Do you
Yes.
understand? Off the hand, off the cup?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
like,
directly.
yeah, directly they
Without
are coming from the
preparation.
spot. Yeah. They are just thinking, they always think about themselves, I'm perfect. I'm supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Wherever I will just go, wherever I will be invited or I will be called. So, in the blink of an eye, in the twinkling of an eye, in 2 seconds of lamp state, I'm able to crack the interview.
Yes.
But this is not the good myth in their mind. Before doing something, even I am there. If I want to go in any kind of field, so first of all, I have to just prepare myself. I don't have to feel overconfident that I can crack the interview, any interview, right? Yeah. So, okay, have you completed your tenses?
Yes, I have completed.
Tense is literally very piece of cake for the people, for even students. And if teacher is wanting to teach the student, then teachers should just complete his tense and all, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Can I
So-
share something, sir?
Yeah, you can share.
In tenses, I don't know, but I'm sure, or maybe some people know about these kind of things. But in tenses, I have some different ideas also with my purpose, with my experience or something to make them understand,
Okay,
make student understand easier.
Okay. You can just adopt your strategy the way you want to teach to the student. Adopt it. Like the things which you want to adopt. You are just thinking about it. Yeah, in this way I have to just teach the students. You can teach in that way. But yeah, with I what do we use? Do or does?
With I,
Yeah.
we use do.
Yeah, right, you are correct. With I we use do, right? If someone is saying that I doesn't have time, this is correct or incorrect?
Actually, grammatically, we use I is a singular thing.
Yeah.
It comes in singular thing, but according to the grammar gives us some rules. Sometimes, most of the time, we use I with the plural subjects. I is a plural subject. We use with the plural helping verbs.
Okay, with I what do we have to use? Do or does?
Most of the time, do.
Yeah, you are very correct.
Yes, sir.
If a person is saying that with I we can use does also, I have different method to teach the students. Do we have to accept that person?
No, sir, because grammar alone.
What is correct? That is correct.
Yes.
What is incorrect? That is incorrect.
Yes,
If
sir.
a student is saying that with I we can use does, we have different ways to make them understand. So it means that person is incorrect. Still, that person is trying to make himself prove correct.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So yeah. Now I'm just going to ask some of the Hindi sentences. Those you have to translate into English.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. तुम 2 घंटे से वहां क्या कर रहे थे?
तुम 2 घंटे से वहाँ क्या कर रहे थे?
Your good name? Johnny.
My name is
Johnny. I am going to repeat Hindi, but you don't have to repeat directly. You have to translate in English.
Can you please repeat?
Yeah. तुम 2 घंटे से वहां क्या कर रहे थे?
Okay.
और Johnny, you will be given only 5 seconds.
What were you doing there for 2 hours?
Okay. Now let me know the name of the tense.
Name of the tense is past perfect continuous tense.
Johnny, the Hindi sentence which I asked, with that you are right. With tense name, past perfect continuous.
Okay.
But the things which you are translating,
Okay.
that is past continuous tense.
Yes, past continuous.
With past continuous tense, we have to use was and were.
Yes, sir. And because you have mentioned that time, so
Time.
that's why I have
So yeah, you
Share
have
that.
again. I'm giving you one chance. Translate it. तुम 2 घंटे से वहां क्या कर रहे थे?
what are you doing there?
What?
Are you doing?
I said.
What were you doing there?
Again, you are translating the same sentence. I said, what were? You are saying what were, but was and were we will use in past continuous tense.
Yes, sir.
The name which you are telling, that is, past perfect continuous. With past perfect continuous, we have to use had been. Had been. Was were will be used in past continuous tense.
What had you done?
So you are incorrect. तुम 2 घंटे से वहां क्या कर रहे थे? What had you been doing there for 2 hours?
What had you been doing there for 2 hours?
For 2
Yes,
hours.
sir.
Okay. Now I'm just going to ask very easy sentence that you have to translate. Got it? We are just going to use ing and all,
Yes.
whatever you are going to use. क्या वह तुम्हारे बारे में नहीं सोच रहा होगा?
Okay. Will he have not been thinking about you?
Tense name.
Future continuous tense.
Very nice. Future continuous. But in English, what you are translating, that is not
Future
continuous.
continuous perfect.
Future continuous perfect. Future perfect.
Perfect continuous tense.
So again, another chance. तुम. What was the sentence which I asked?
तो वहाँ पर कि
No. Like
वो मेरा इंतजार
वो क्या नहीं कर रहा होगा? Just translate this. वो क्या नहीं कर रहा होगा? What was the sentence which I asked?
वो क्या नहीं कर रहा होगा?
वह क्या नहीं कर रहा होगा? Yes. I had asked what वो क्या नहीं कर रहा होगा?
what will he not doing?
This is incorrect.
What will he not being doing?
Not
Being
being. What will he?
not doing.
This is incorrect, and this is Johnny. I just want to let you know about this, that this is very very easy sentence that every students within month they can translate. वह क्या नहीं कर रहा होगा? What will he not be doing? Not be doing. It is not being. It is be. What will he not be doing?
I think
Okay, can you make it in short way? वो क्या नहीं कर रहा होगा? Can you make it in short way? I just said what will he not be doing? Just make it in short way.
what he will not be doing.
This is
Same thing.
same also, and this is incorrect also. वो क्या नहीं कर रहा होगा? I'm just translating it in a long way. What will he not be doing? You have to make it in a short way.
What will he not be?
This is same. What will he not be doing? Make it in a short way. What? Okay. Will plus not. If we make it short, then what do we call it?
Will,
Willent.
will not,
Willent. Who said?
want,
It's not want. Neither it is want, nor it is willent. It is want.
want.
T will be silent. Want. वह क्या नहीं कर रहा होगा? What won't he be doing? What won't he be doing? क्या आपने मेरा इंतजार किया था? क्या आपने मेरा इंतजार किया था?
Did you wait for me?
Incorrect. Tense name
Past perfect.
and what you are translating, that is past indefinite.
Okay.
क्या तुमने मेरा वेट किया? I didn't say this. क्या तुमने मेरा वेट किया था? Had you
Had
waited for me?
waited for me.
Did you wait for me? क्या तुमने मेरा वेट किया? क्या वह 10 ट्यूशंस में पढ़ाती है?
Does she teach in 10
Okay.
tuition classes?
Okay, it will be teach or teaches.
Teach.
It will be
Teach.
very good. I just wanted to make you perplexed. Okay, yeah. Now just translate this. वह 10 ट्यूशंस में पढ़ाती है.
She teaches in 10 tuitions.
Okay, why did you use teaches instead of using teach?
Because sir, when we use helping verb here, and if we use singular helping verb here, so we don't use that singular verb.
But here in the sentence, it is positive or negative?
Yes.
It is positive or negative?
This one
Yeah.
positive sentence. So
Yeah.
here we use V5. Teaches.
V5.
Yes sir. Because of subject verb agreement. Because if subject is singular, so we use singular verb also.
Okay. Do you have the ideas with whom we have to use s or es?
Yes sir.
Yeah.
So in verbs.
Where es will be used? First clarify this.
Okay. S or es. When
Don't talk about s. Right now
Okay.
talk about es only.
when we have vowel at the end of the verb, so we use es.
Explain.
If a verb ends with the vowel, so we use es to make it singular.
Okay.
Or if we have a consonant at the end of the verb, so we use s to make it
Okay.
singular.
Just explain any verb with that we will use es.
Okay, sir. For example, go, goes. We use es with that
Yeah.
to make it
Why
singular.
we are using es with teach?
Teach, because we have some rules also to make a verb singular to plural. If we have x, ch, x for double s, and sh, so we use es to make them plural. And one more thing, if ch pronunciation is ka, so we use only s with that, and pronunciation is ch, so we use that.
Okay,
Yes.
very good. So we have the rule sums that we have to fill it in our mind.
Yes.
We have to imitate those rules like at the end of verb if it is coming that sh, ch, o, x, double s, so we have to use es. Otherwise we have to use
S.
s. Okay, very good. So वह वहाँ क्या करता था?
वह वहाँ
क्या करता था?
Okay. What?
Can you just tell me the name of tense? वह वहाँ क्या करता था?
Simple past.
Simple past. You mean to say past indefinite.
Yes, sir. Simple past, past indefinite.
REA. If we are using like मैंने तुम्हें वहाँ देखा. The name of tense.
Say
Both will be
simple past.
सिंपल पास्ट।
past indefinite.
ओके, सो वह वहाँ क्या करता था?
What did he do there?
दिस इज इनकरेक्ट।
What? Uh,
इट विल बी करेक्ट।
yes.
उसने वहाँ क्या किया? What did he do there? It can be correct. वह वहाँ क्या करता था?
What had he done there?
This is past perfect.
Yes, sir.
This is past perfect, which you are translating.
What had? Well,
We have
please repeat
different.
again.
We have different structures of past indefinite tense. We have two lessons in past indefinite. Means we have two sounds. R E A. The second is ta tha ti thi te the. When we are using ta hai ti hai te hai in present, then in past we will be having ta tha ti thi te the. But here we are just focusing towards R E A. But we guys are not trying to focus towards ta tha ti thi te the. If we are using REA, then we have to use second form of the verb, and in negative we have to use did not, right? And this
Yes,
first
sir.
form. But when we are using ta tha ti thi te the, then we have to use used to. Used to. मैं तुम वहाँ क्या करते थे? तुम वहाँ क्या करते थे?
But what you are saying that time? What you were saying that time?
What? तुम वहाँ क्या करते थे? I said this.
That thing. So I think, sir, may I?
Yeah. Go ahead.
Sir, I think used to be used for the past things that क्या किया करते थे.
So what is this? तुम वहाँ
I
क्या
think
करते
that
थे?
is different.
तुम क्या करते थे? It means I'm just talking about the habit of the past.
Okay.
In present and definite, what do we speak? We speak daily routine. It means what? Like the habits which we have in the present. But in the past, like in your childhood, तुम वहाँ क्या करते थे? When you were in 12th class, तुम वहाँ क्या करते थे? When you were in village, means you were in the village for 1 year. तो तुम वहाँ क्या करते थे?
Let me same thing, but I did different way because I have.
This is also habit. तुम वहाँ क्या करते थे?
It comes also in habit.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
और mainly for habits we have to use. तुम्हें वहाँ क्या करने की आदत थी? और it means तुम वहाँ क्या करते थे? Daily routine, past day routine.
Yes.
In the past, we are just talking about the past routines. तुम वहाँ क्या करते थे? Then what do we translate it?
Used to.
Yeah. Translate it. तुम वहाँ क्या करते थे?
Okay. What? What used to do there?
Where has helping you gone?
Yes. What did you? What did you used to do there?
What did you?
You used to do there.
What did you?
Used to do there.
तुम वहाँ खाना बनाते थे.
What did?
तुम वहाँ खाना बनाते थे.
Okay. You cooked food there.
तुमने वहाँ खाना बनाया is different. तुम वहाँ खाना बनाते थे.
You.
It means it was your duty in the past.
Same
तुम
thing
वहाँ
that-
खाना बनाते थे. Yeah, of course it will be same.
Okay, so
but
what
this is
did-
positive. That was interrogative, negative. Interrogative, and now it is positive.
You used to cook there.
You
Used to cook there.
can you pronounce the use?
Used to cook there.
Used.
Used.
It is used or used.
Sometimes I pronounce used.
Used.
Yes, it comes used to.
Of course,
Because
you're right.
D also.
Yeah, of
there.
course. It is used, not used.
Use not. It is used to.
ओके मैं तुम्हारा दोस्त नहीं हुआ करता था. मैं तुम्हारा दोस्त नहीं हुआ करता था.
I did not used to be a friend.
It is used or used.
Used.
Now it is incorrect.
Okay, use.
Yeah.
Because did is there.
We have already used second form, that
Yes.
is did. So मैं तुम्हारा फ्रेंड नहीं हुआ करता था.
Again. I did not used to be a friend.
ओके मुझे आपसे बात करने की आदत हो रही है. मुझे आपसे बात करने की आदत हो रही है.
Okay. I am I am in habit of to talk to you,
I'm in habit of.
to talk to you.
First is it is incorrect. I'm in habit of to talk to you. Here you are using
of talking to you.
I am in habit of
Talking
talking
to
to you. You could have been right if I had asked. मुझे आपसे बात करने की आदत है. You could have been right if I had asked. तुम्हें बात करने की आदत, तुम्हें मुझसे बात करने की आदत है. You are in habit of talking to me. But I said तुम्हें मुझसे बात करने की आदत हो रही है.
I am
है नहीं
getting.
हो रही है. आप समझो?
I am getting
Yeah.
in habit of talking to you.
Now you are correct.
Yes.
I'm getting in the habit
Because
of
I
talking
know
to
it's
you.
continuous, so we have to use continuous verb there.
Okay. Without using habit of, how can you make it?
Okay, sir. I'm getting habit.
I said you have to remove habit of. You have to remove the habit.
Okay, habit word. I have to remove that word. Instead of habit, we can use.
Do you understand habitual?
Yes, sir. I know that word, but I think it's not suitable in this
Yeah, it is
sentence.
suitable.
I am habitual. I'm getting habitual to talk to you or of talking to you.
Yeah, both can be correct. To talk to you or of talking to you.
Because
Habitual
we
can
have
be
to
used.
okay,
It is.
sir.
Yeah, it is.
I'm a little bit confused because first time I want to use that
Okay.
word, but I thought
Okay, one word you used, confuse.
yes, sir.
How many synonyms do we have of confuse?
Confuse.
Because in this new generation institute supported by Students History, we don't want to give a hackneyed or helpful classes to the student.
Yes.
We should be having different words,
Words also.
the advanced grammars. Instead of talking in basic grammar, we have to switch ourselves in advanced grammar. Or instead of using hackneyed or hence in old words, we have to switch ourselves into advanced words. That can be, phrases, vocabularies, idioms. We have to use these kind of words as celebrities use. Because so many people are there. I have just seen so many students. Sir, I have been learning English here for 1 year. Sir, I have been learning English for 2 years. Sir, I have been being given English classes for 2 years. Sir, still I am unable to understand celebrities, what they are speaking.
Yes, sir.
While they are giving their interview, I am unable to understand that, sir. Why, sir? What did you teach me? Because they have just completed only basic grammar,
Yes.
basic words. We know confuse, everyone knows about this. Confuse, yeah, confuse means confuse होता था. Confuse means चीजें नहीं समझ में आई, हाँ सामने वाला माइंड से घूम गया कि भाई मेरे को ये समझ में नहीं आया. So instead of using confuse word, what can all words be there that we can use?
Synonyms. Fuse. Misunderstood.
Misunderstood is very different.
Confuse.
It's okay, so believe it. Okay, now I'm just going to ask many more sentences from you that you have to translate those sentences. Okay. भगवान की कृपा से मेरे पास सब कुछ है.
I have everything by the God grace.
By the God grace. Okay. This is the thing which you are using, everyone knows.
Yes, I
Using in a very different way.
I have everything. I have all the things by the God.
By God, भगवान के द्वारा. So you can, instead of using these kind of things, you can say that by the grace of God, by the mercy of God, I have everything. By the mercy of God, nothing happened with me while riding the vehicle. I met with an accident, but by the mercy of God, I am safe.
Actually, I
By the grace of God, I am safe.
Yes, sir.
Nothing happened with me because I am the hand of God.
God.
It's okay. Now let me go towards another sentences. Okay. Yeah. ना ही तुमने मुझे अपना पता दिया और ना ही तुमने मुझे अपना नंबर दिया.
Neither you give me your number or
Neither you.
address.
Can you speak it out?
Neither you give me your number nor address.
This is incorrect. Translate it again. Why it is incorrect? Then you will understand.
Neither you give me your number.
No, neither you
Give me.
give.
Neither you give.
Why are you using give? It is not give. ना ही तुमने मुझे अपना पता दिया और ना ही तुमने मुझे अपना नंबर दिया. Tense name. Past indefinite.
Neither you gave your number nor your address.
Your address. Neither you gave your number or your address. या तो किसी ने मेरा पर्स चोरी कर लिया होगा या फिर मैं अपना पर्स घर पर भूल चुका हूं. या तो मेरा पर्स किसी ने चोरी कर लिया होगा या फिर मैं अपना पर्स घर पर भूल चुका हूं.
Either someone stolen my. Either someone has stolen my.
Incorrect. No, the sound of the sentence and last sound of the sentence.
Okay, last.
या तो मेरा पर्स किसी ने चोरी कर लिया होगा, it is future, कर लिया होगा, या फिर मैं अपना पर्स घर पर भूल चुका हूं.
Either someone will have stolen my purse
Yeah.
or
Yes.
and second thing
या तो मैं अपना पर्स घर पर भूल चुका हूं.
I have forgotten my purse at home.
Wow. Just now repeat it again. Repeat it again. Full
Okay.
sentence.
Either I will have stolen.
You will have stolen your purse by your own self.
No, I. Either someone will have stolen my purse, or I have forgotten my purse at home.
Okay, very good, nice. Okay. क्या तुम हमेशा अपने क्लास में पिटते हो?
Okay.
क्या तुम हमेशा अपनी क्लास में पिटते हो?
Do you always beat?
Do you
Can
always?
we use this thing?
No. We can't
Pitte
use.
ho. Do you always hit?
क्या तुम हमेशा अपनी क्लास में पिटते हो?
Do you always punish?
It means you are punishing. क्या तुम हमेशा अपने क्लास में पनिश करते हो? I said क्या तुम हमेशा अपनी क्लास में पिटते हो? The sentence which you are translating that is
Used
active,
to.
but I am asking passive.
Yes, sir. Do you always beaten?
Incorrect. Do you always get beaten in your class?
Do you always get beaten in your class?
And second thing you can also use, are you always beaten in your class? Are you always beaten in your class? Okay, yeah. उसको पैसे नहीं दिए गए होंगे, उसको पैसे नहीं दिए गए होंगे, तभी वो आज सैड है. उसको पैसे नहीं दिए गए होंगे, तभी वो आज सैड है.
Okay. He will not getting money.
उसको पैसे नहीं दिए गए होंगे, तभी वो आज उदास है.
He will not have getting money. That's why he is sad.
He will have been given money, that's why he is crestful and gloomy, dejected. That's why he is sad.
He
He will not have been given.
giving money.
In the rules of passive, we have to use be. And why be has turned into been? Because of have. After have, we have to use third form of the verb. So that be will be turned into been after using have. He will not have been given money, that's why he is sad. This is the rule of passive. So yes, Johnny, I'm not going to ask you advanced sentences right now because you need to prepare yourself here. I just want to tell you that you have to work, you have to leave no stone unturned to make yourself more and more perfect. Because so I have just seen so many teachers that they're teaching to the students. Students are saying, whenever I'm just going to ask them that since when have you been learning English, since when have you been given English classes, they are just saying that sir, I have been learning English for 1 year, sir, I have been taking English classes for 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. And when I'm just going to ask them 10 sentences, they are unable to translate that. They are always getting fail in that. Now you know why I'm just saying. By being beginner, I have visited many institutions that English teachers are teaching English to the students. Why? Because I am also English trainer. I have trained so many students, or so many students like they came to me and said that sir, actually right now I'm just working in any kind of company there. I am being given 80,000 rupees, sir, but for the promotion that after 80,000, if I'm just going to improve my English, I will be given 1 lakh rupees, 1.5 lakh rupees. I just want the promotion, and it is not happening just because of my English language. So many people are there, they're saying, sir, I'm just getting the offer in other country. In the foreign, I'm getting the opportunities to work there or teach in schools as well. Just because of English language, I'm unable to go there. So, sir, please teach me. So, after giving them classes, now they're earning good amount of money. Yes. They're earning, they are just being very happy after knowing about this that we have been selected. We have been given that opportunities for which we were waiting. Just because of sir, by the grace of sir, by the mercy of sir, now we are just earning this much of salary because we have just improved our English. And why did I say you that students, they are just taking English classes from institutions, or they are saying that I am unable to translate 10 sentences just because of the grammar. We have to know the root of the grammar. Right now there are many more advanced sentences like अगर मैं बचपन से इंग्लिश सीख रहा होता तो आज मैं इंग्लिश का टीचर बन गया होता. Can you tell me the name of this sentence? अगर मैं बचपन से इंग्लिश सीख रहा होता तो आज मैं इंग्लिश का टीचर बन गया होता. What is this? Tell me the name of this lesson.
Sir, we use code here. Past.
अगर मैं बचपन से इंग्लिश सीख रहा होता. So these are condition sentences. What is the condition? अगर मैं बचपन से सीख रहा होता तो आज मैं इंग्लिश टीचर बन गया होता, या फिर मैं एक अच्छी कंपनी में अच्छा खासा पैसा कमा रहा होता. अगर मेरे पास पैसे होते तो मैंने एसी रिपेयर करा लिया होता. These are more advanced sentences. If I had money, I would have gotten the AC repaired. What is? Do you know about causative sentences? Causative sentences like make, get.
Yes, sir.
Make, get, let for permissions. क्या तुमने मुझसे ट्यूशन साफ कराया? Translated. क्या तुमने मुझसे ट्यूशन साफ कराया? It is not that much advanced. क्या तुमने मुझसे ट्यूशन साफ करवाया? Make it.
Did you clean the room?
Did you?
Clean the room.
You just made it active. I asked you causative. क्या तुमने मुझसे ट्यूशन साफ करवाया? आपने बोला did you clean? It means क्या तुमने क्लीन किया? क्या तुमने मुझसे ट्यूशन साफ करवाया?
Did you let me clean?
I am not asking for the permission. क्या तुमने मुझे ट्यूशन साफ करने दिया? मैंने कहा कि तुमने मुझसे ट्यूशन साफ करवाया. क्या तुमने मुझसे ट्यूशन साफ करवाया? Let means permission. I'm not talking about permission here.
Have you?
क्या तुमने मुझसे ट्यूशन साफ करवाया? did you make me clean the tuition, or did you have me clean the tuition, or did you get the tuition cleaned by me? There are many ways to make the sentence, not one way. Did you make me clean the tuition? Did you have me clean the tuition? Did you get the tuition cleaned by me? Did you get me to clean the tuition? There are many ways. I have made it 4 ways. So we have to know these all things to become better and better teacher, because you are just seeing the infrastructure of these institutions and we have many branches. So just we want to teach something different to the students. Even in the future, if they need English institutions, if they want to take more English classes, so teacher can get fail but the student shouldn't get fail in learning. Because I have seen many more teachers, I always try to think about it that if student is thinking, sir, my teacher is very better in teaching English, my teacher is expert in teaching English, I say that if I'm going to give you 10 sentences of English, if your teacher is able to translate that, I will give you free English classes, if it is possible. Why do I give this guarantee? Even I don't say to the students that student come and say, sir, in how many days or in how many months, in how many years I can improve myself. I say, you have to wait for 7 days. Only 7 days. So many teachers are saying for 3 months, 1 year, and these all things and all. I'm not talking about it. I'm just saying within 7 days you will think about it. I am at the right place. Within 7 days, I'll make you stand to speak. You would have spoken on 1 or 2 topics within 7 days. Can it be possible? I'll make it possible. Because I know how do I have to teach. I know about my strategies. I know about my ways. With which ways I have to teach the students. With which ways I have to make them understand about each and everything, about each and every structures and topics and all. Here just see, teachers are not teaching these kind of words. I am just teaching to the students. Occlude, draconian, build castles in the air. Build castles in the air. If someone is just thinking that I want to become like Ambani, I just want to have Rolls Royce. I want to have Rolls Royce की watch भी होती है ना? क्या होती है? Watch होती है ना? Yeah. So I just want to have a Rolls Royce watch with which will cost me an arm and a leg. Which will cost me an arm and a leg. Someone is saying, a person is saying. But if you try to know about his habits, that person is sleeping till 12 o'clock, till 1 o'clock. That person doesn't know about the morning. That person doesn't know about the afternoon. He is having his breakfast. People are saying breakfast, but that is not breakfast. That is breakfast. So many people are using these kind of things. Person is sleeping till 12 o'clock, till 12 p.m., 1 p.m., 2 p.m. And they are saying, I want to become like Ambani. Hey buddy, stop building castles in the air. Stop building castles in the air. By saying these kind of things, you can become like Ambani. First, you have to put your efforts. First, you have to leave no stone unturned. Are you getting about these and all things? Like we have these kind of words for making students understand, for making students use. And now person will say, oh भाई हमारे पास सपने देखना बंद कर दे. Now we don't have the word. अगर है, why are you just thinking in the air? Simple way से use करो जो सामने वाले को समझ में आता है. So we just want, we have to make ourselves very advanced. Very advanced. That a teacher can not face you. Whenever you are going to stand anywhere, people will keep on asking things. Just go to our social media on YouTube. Just watch some of the videos. So many celebrities are there. They are admiring of our institution. You must have seen like on 27 December we have been awarded by Amisa Patel. Did you see that? No, we have been awarded by Amisa Patel for New Generation Institution. Now we have just uploaded that video on social media. People are just watching that. So we want to give something different to the students. Your good name?
My name is Johnny.
Johnny. Yeah. At the end, Johnny, I just want to tell you, we will hire you here. We will give you some of the students, basic students who don't know anything. From those students, you have to start your training, or you have to work harder at your home, and you have to make yourself very perfect.
Yes, sure.
Okay, right now you are not able to translate any kind of sentences, neither you have completed your tense nor you have completed your basic grammar. So first we have to do these kind of things. I did not even ask you advanced sentences. Before that, I just wanted to know if I'm just going to make you like if I want to take your written test, then maybe you can get fail. So my time will be wasted, your time will be wasted. That's why I just tried to think about it. I should ask some oral sentences from you.
What kind of sentences?
No, that's why I just asked basic sentences before making you translate advanced sentences.
Okay.
Because in this way you could have wasted your time, my time, right? So that's why I asked you some basic sentences. So you have to make yourself perfect and perfect. And yeah, nice to meet you. Okay, and work harder. Okay, now after just these all things, after this interview, what are you feeling? Don't think about it that after getting rejected, after getting failed, that you won't be able to get your success. What do you want to suggest to the people?
Okay.
Or how did you feel after facing this interview?
Actually, I feel very good, and I want to say only one thing, that I have been always be positive, because whatever sir had shared to me, I think all the things are new for me, because whatever I have learned from the different places, or these kind of things are very basic things, but sir has great knowledge, and I think if I have been working, or I will be working here, so I think I will learn more and more things from the sir, and I think I become a great teacher if sir give me chance to learn new or advanced English here. So yes, sure, I want to learn advanced English here to become a perfect or great teacher. And thank you so much, sir. Really, I appreciate you, because really I feel very good while conversation, and it's really I know many things from your side. That yes, these kind of things also there in English language.
Okay.
Seriously, I know only basic things, or because of the locality, or you can say these things, because I know only that much things. And yes, I know the grammar things also, but limited, not like you. But if you give me chance to learn these things, or give me training on these things, so yes, sure, I will learn these.
And that's why I was just telling you according to the locality.
Yes.
What did I say you that I have visited many institutions. What they are teaching, I know about their strategies, how they are teaching, how they are looting people, how they are plundering people. They are charging 500, 1000, 2000, and even more than that also. Now, what things we are giving to the students, even after charging a lot of money, teachers are not giving that kind of things to the students. So that's why it is not the mistake of the teachers. Sorry, it is not the mistake of the students. Teachers are being teachers for only just giving the frivolous thing to the students. Till their entire life, if they keep on learning English, they won't be able to learn that. I've seen many students. So that's why we have to work. We have to work on the root of the grammar.
Yes.
We have to work on the root of words. Advanced things are there which we have to make ourselves, learn, which we have to prepare for that. And we have so many words that in that you can face so many problems while pronouncing them.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we have very different ways to teach the students. So nice to meet you also. And now what do you want to suggest to the students about this institution?
Okay.
Like as they are wasting their time in other institutions, according to you, after seeing everything, I'm not saying you to speak the fake things. Whatever it is being visible for you, whatever you are seeing here right now, whatever you are getting from here, so let them know about this.
Okay, so I would like to suggest all the students, all the new students who wants to learn English language perfectly and from the very basic or root level. So please come into the New Generation Institute and yes, grow yourself.
You can say contact Suraj sir and Sanjeev sir.
And contact Suraj sir and Sanjeev sir.
Yeah.
And they both will guide you and give you the correct guidance relating to the English language, and you will be perfect in that field. Thank you so much.
And nice to meet you also, Johnny
Massey.
So everyone, you must have seen, like how much we have to make ourselves more and more perfect. So if you're going to join this new generation institution, you will literally feel that we have entered in the heaven. So you will be given everything here. We are not we are not giving the fake things to the students. If you come here, then definitely it will be guarantee of Sanjeev sir and Suraj sir that you will get many more things from institution. And even so many people are also coming, not only students, so many teachers are coming for getting the guidance, for being more perfect. They are getting trainings in new generation institutions, and after 6 months of the course, after 1 year of the course, now they are teaching in our institutions, and now they have become that much perfect. As we are meeting the students, even we have many more students also. They are very better than the other teachers,
Yes, sir.
but they are not teaching because they are wanting to go in other field. But our motive is, if a person is wanting to go in the teaching line or in any kind of field, we don't have to think about it. We have to just give them right things.
Yes.
Whatever, even people are coming for getting the trainings, so we have to give them that much things that they can become more and more perfect in their life. And you can also see our social media, so many students are there. By being beginner, now they have become that much advanced. They are facing stage, we are facing public,
Yes, sir.
in front of the public on the stage, in front of thousands of people, 500 of people. They are giving their speeches. They are motivating people that if I can do, why can't you?
Yes, sir.
If I can do, why can't you? They are saying these kind of things. So everybody, please don't try to distract yourself from the good things. Always choose the things. If you are mature, or if you are not mature, if you think about yourself that you are immature, please take the support of your parents, take the support of an elder person, take the support of a person who is in your relatives. They have knowledge, so they will suggest you where you are going, what you are doing. So everybody, in this video I wanted to tell you, make yourself perfect, and if you want to become teacher, come to us. Or if you're even finding the jobs, we are giving the interviews. We have the live trainings in our institutions, and after their selections, so now they are just going for earning money. Thank you everybody for watching this video. From this video, you have to learn many more things. Thank you everyone. You can say also thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, and thanks to all. That's it.